To activate a Tally add-on, we need to go to F1 Help, then TDL and add-ons. To manage your local TDL, simply press F4 or click on the appropriate option. Set Load Selected TDL File on Startup to Yes. Now, you can select the path of your TCP file. In my case, I am selecting from Drive and then going to Desktop folder, then again Desktop TCP file. This is the folder. From here I will load the TCP file. So here is my TCP file. I am selecting Tally Pro TCP file. I need to open the company to see all the features offered by this add-on. Again, I am going to F1 Help, TDLs, and add-on, and then click on the F6 add-on feature. You can activate or deactivate one or another feature from here.